What's up, everybody? It's your boy WB, and welcome to a brand new series that we're going to be doing. It's going to be Stock Talks, at least that's what we're going to call it for now, where we go over, different market ideas and things that we can, point out on the market or and stuff that I, see that it's interesting. So just so we can create like kind of like a history and reflect back on what we've done. So, U.S. SPY, we like this one for the long side. We called it, I guess, on this. I don't know if it was this low, but this one I think I purchased it. Strong buy. It looks like 415. I think was the low. So we got this 435 contract. Expiration 613. So got like a week or so left. Let's see, 13th. So like a week and a day. So started to quickly rise in price. Started out with just one contract. It was between this and Caterpillar for me. I was trying to get the Caterpillar for like the 200 contract for like $2 because I only had $2 left because I had lost somebody with like $70. But yeah. So this 435 quickly shot up to like 20 cents contract, and then dipped off, and then gapped up next morning. Sold off, strong buy, and then now it's chilling at about $1 for the contract, 80 cents maybe if you have it. So taking a look at the spine, bought it here. So it's been higher lows non-stop until here. Sold off. Probably a lot of sellers are gonna, a lot of people, day traders, are gonna sell off their earnings. Boom, big buy. I like when they dip at the end of the market, gives a strong buy opportunity, and then you see the big buy break the range to the high side, sell off, buy again, and then it's just consolidating here. So look for any kind of dip buy, I guess, is what I would say, because it's shown you twice, 3 times, 4 times that dip buys, I guess, are good. These contracts are up, as you can see, we're at the 1,000%ers. So starting out with $8 and making 100. Some other big names that we were looking at was obviously, we had, I don't know, the Caterpillar, where'd it go, but probably expired. Cat 220 call. These were $2. I'm telling you, $2. And then they were worth 600. Cat 215. All these, Tesla 200. We had those calls early. 190 and 195. I think we had 215 or something. So these other 15,000 percenters, 20,000 percenters, NX was a buy. It looks like from 21 through 23, 24. It's at 25 right now, 26. So it looks like it could test the. You don't want to let this one get away from you and run to 30 without you. But 25, I think, is strong resistance. 26. Yeah, could set up for those guys. So take a look at that one. UMP was another one. I think these are all like industrials. I have to do kind of with Caterpillar. But let's take a look at Caterpillar. I like this one through 200, so we'll take a look at that when it happens. Just talk about a little bit about Friday. We wanted Caterpillar actually to break down, which it did, and then it didn't. Started to buy it back up through to 10, and then that's when I said, okay, I should probably flip long. If it's not gonna break down, there's only one way to go up. The SPY's going up. It's probably because of Caterpillar. So, yeah, strong buy up, gap up $5, and then nonstop. We really would like the 224 level, and couldn't get in also. But yeah, 220 was money. Every level up was money. So where is it gonna go? If you look back, 230. So obviously no question. 240, we've been there. 250, 260. You talk about 300. Is it crazy? It's kind of like a blue sky setup. Caterpillar, being one of the leading industrial, probably manufacturers in construction. So, yeah. Besides that, you can take a look. I think I saw that Bitcoin was sliding. So, taking a look at Bitcoin. Would look for sell-off maybe, but it could possibly not want to sell off and shoot up from here. So careful with the support of 26, 25. Those are going to be big levels, probably to the downside. If you start breaking those, you want to test the lower side of the 22, where I would look for a strong buy into 40. But yeah, you can also look for a buy from 40 from here. It's only $15 away. So 15 points, however you want to look at. Taking a look at some of my watch lists. Tesla, obviously. Amazon, like through 130. Google, through 130. Apple, the big one. This is why I like the SPY. Also, I think Apple is poised to break past 200. We tested the bottom. We diddled in the middle. We broke higher. We've been testing higher. All we need is a break of the range higher. And, the rest is money. So, also you could look for a dip, but it's been consistently higher highs for I want to say 3 months now since this 150 level was put in. We called the sell-off from 150 to 120 and the buyback. So it wasn't recorded, so hopefully now we're gonna record everything. Yeah, this 177 strong buy through 180. So I would look for at least 183, maybe going into 185. So yeah, strong buys I think for Apple, because Apple I think is big worldwide. It's not only US, so it's pretty good. Meme stocks, Carvana. Oh yeah, but I guess if you wanted to talk about SPY levels, I'm thinking 500. 450 or 430 obviously was money. We're there now. So the top is 429 in a year. right there. So we can break through the top, but levels 450, then a retracement, 420 buying zone again, go to 474. I would like to see this. We started here, alright, boom, 450, drop off, right, and then buy, drop off, buy. So let's see if we can do that. So we're gonna push continuation through 450. Well, if we can get to 474, that'll be. We would need a gap up to 450, and then that would be insane. Oh man. So yeah, I know everybody wants the market to crash here. Probably the risk to reward ratio is making sense for you up here, but yeah, I mean, we've been through the mud, I guess. It doesn't look like it's gonna get any better, so people have to hunker down, and it looks like you're gonna have to absorb whatever inflation is coming, because Fed's not stopping this market. I mean, the labor market is probably gonna fail, but we'll see. I don't know what that does for construction and whatnot. Yeah, Amazon, like I said, strong. Google, I would also look at. I want to look at Coinbase. Banks, I like the banks. Bank of America through the 28 level was money, or also, let's see if I can look that one up. EMPH, I don't know. Not really worth it. Penny stocks, not really doing much. If I had to pick one. We like Palantir, we like Disney, looks good. I guess Netflix is Netflix 400. We called this one, let me see, called the 300 break. That was money. And down right here, that one was money, this one was money, and that one was money. So didn't have much of that, but it was fun to look at. We did have the watch list positions. So yeah, 330 was a buy, 350 was a buy, 360, and 370. So 400. I expect them probably to fade, but I imagine they're gonna use this as a new support soon. But Netflix has been crazy in the past. 600 up there. Resistance was 380. So it's kind of like people are buying $330 stock. They're gonna look for at least 1-to-1, I would imagine. So 400 to 600, 500. Sounds crazy, but we shall see what Netflix does with this 400 level. Be careful, it starts going through to 410. All the could we do like an NVIDIA, which just brings us to our next point. NVIDIA. What a move. We almost literally bought into this. I don't know why we didn't. We were expecting $100 move. Yeah. Oh well, and then the 415 was spicy meatball. This short also was spicy and strong buyback, 380 level to hold that 400 position. Looks like they're gonna hold through 400, so I actually like this action here. Sell off, buyback, sell off. Give you some chop, kind of hold the line. So sky's the limit. It looks like for NVIDIA for now. We didn't put it past one to see this one go to 500 or something like that, you know. And then it'd be 600, 700, too late, it's 1,000. Yeah, that being said, I don't think I'm going to be able to trade. Hopefully, I did make a deposit. Hopefully, it clears by Monday or tomorrow, 8 a.m., whatever it is. And, yeah, so, like I said, we was watching these June contracts for the SPY. Started picking up. So it was 380 when we bought, and it would have been up $700, you know. But whatever, we put $8 and we couldn't really risk that much. If not, we would have been nice. But yeah, the puts, these shorts, I mean, they're cheap. They're getting dangerously low. They've broken the $1,000 mark. It looks like. So be careful, because once it slips lower, you know. I don't know. 427. This is my level of support right now. 427.90. So we'll look to see if the market's gonna short, the 427 level is probably the level you're gonna want to look at, because this one can probably, what it can do is bounce to like 15, make a drop, and then go to 18 or 19. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, 1-to-1, you always want to look at 1-to-1 ratio. So this is a contract, obviously. I don't know if you guys know that, but so put saying that the market is gonna go down, right? So this has been going down because the market's been going up in the past 3 months from 4,300. The contract for the 427 is getting squeezed down. It's almost gonna go to zero. So how long is this gonna take to go to zero? That's the question. Yeah, we'll look to see. I mean, I look to see if this goes to maybe 5, then a bounce back to, 1,000 or something, where it's less risky. But up here at 9, you're probably not gonna want to buy that. I mean, it is. You're up here at the high. We're already at 428 though. So 427 is $1. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. But let's see. Let's pick one more. I want to look at. Yeah, Tesla. We called the 200 break pretty easy here, and then here again. Yeah, this one was crazy. I don't know why I didn't have either one of these. We was about to buy into them. Tesla 230, Tesla 240, 250. What can I tell you? I mean, these 160 days, 170, 180. I mean, could see maybe 180 again, but 190. I don't know. It has. I mean, it's up there right now. 213. You could probably see 205. I would probably short just 205 was cheap. I don't know. We'll see. I guess you have to play in between. I mean, 220 is looks like money today. So what else? PayPal. Like I said, the banks, Bank of America. Haven't looked at the other banks, but Disney probably going through 93, 88 to 93. I would say that's about $5. Oxy. 57. Wow, 58. So I think 63 is a big level, so we can probably play this probably to 63. This is right there, right there, right there. Yeah, I don't know. Oil's pretty, yeah, but it looks like I said, industrials look like they're going up. Oils looks like it's going up. 50, 57 strong bias, so Oxy could be 1 through 63. It would be money right now if you can get some time. I guess let's take a look at Amazon. I mean, yeah, the 100 break, we called that one. It's making through the quarter mark of the 100 through the 200 mark. So that's what we wanted this whole time. Let's look at Walmart. Walmart, we called this 140 break to the 115 level. That one's golden. Drop down to 146. I think it's like a blue sky setup. Almost. Target. Wait a minute. Wow, Target really fell off like that. If you guys didn't know, there was like news about Target that they're promoting, I guess, conditioning clothes for, you know, minors. May 17th, that was like almost a week ago. Wow. You're talking almost $30 in shorts. I mean, it presents a good buy opportunity, I guess, if you want. But I mean, I love Target, but I can't find myself supporting them now. But wow, I just wish I had the short. So yeah. Mickey D's. So got some ration stocks, or I call them recession stocks. Is that really? Really? No. No. What? Where was this through? Hello? I think I had this through 270. So yeah, we looked at this, looks like apparently it was 3 months ago. Through 270, we liked it. Took out 280, that was always. Took out 285, 290. Yeah, I was not paying attention to this at all. Yeah, so we went all the way to 300 almost, and dipped back down to 85. McDonald's. Yeah, I don't know what you do. Looks like they sold off. And recovery. Looks like it's going up with the industrials. The same kind of movement. So that's what you want to look for, like markets that are moving the same. So yeah. I don't see anything else. Lucid, Carvana, good stocks to look at. Microsoft, Meta 270, FSLR, Microsoft, I'm not sure. Nike, could go to 120. Boeing is an industrial. Let's take a look at Boeing. Going slowly, but creeping through the 210 mark. Boeing, another one like Caterpillar, expected to kind of fail, sell through the 200 level. Looks like it's gonna hold the 200 level and creep its way to 300. So I would keep a close eye on Boeing. This big mark, this big drop off. You can get like some kind of news catalyst and clearly break the range to 300. So I wouldn't put it past Boeing. Alright, we gotta go to sleep and wake up, re-energize for the market. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.